Hey guys, it's me Haley.
And me Amanda. And today's video is going to be on
eating dog food.
This is no joke.
Very interesting.
So, we are going to eat this dog food. So, Haley, you can go ahead and go first.
Where are those pieces that
You like this one? Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to eat this little brown piece. I'm scared.
Ew. Ew. Ew, are you drinking out of a dog bowl?
Dogs don't live with you.
Those are my good towels. Haley, hold on. Let me put the computer back. Hold on. Give me, those are my good towels. Good. Yeah. Hi, the table. Don't hit me. Okay. Thank you for watching our video.
No, you have to eat it.
I don't want to eat it.
Too bad.
Okay, fine.
It's delicious, don't worry.
Well, dang, it's a lie. So why do I have to do this?
Oh my god.
Are you video recording me?
Yes.
Oh well. Okay. Empty. Okay, well
that's it.
That's don't eat
Don't eat
dog
dog
food. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.